Now I've also realized that storage boxes are great for storing things, but they don't organize anything. Hi lovelies, so this week I've been watching Tidying Up with Marie Kondo on Netflix. I am obsessed. Episode 1, I immediately just fell in love and I felt very inspired to start tidying up my own home because I think the last video I would have posted on this channel was a disorganized apartment tour, and that was me just being real and saying, look, I don't always have my life together, but it's also a really good opportunity to organize everything and go through all of my belongings and let go of things that, according to Marie Kondo, do not spark joy or just no longer serve you. So I still need to do my closet, but I've actually been doing some really good work with the study and also the laundry, so I wanted to show you all of the changes I'm putting into place. Hopefully I can keep them all up. So I really did like her intention behind the series, and my mum actually has a copy of her book, The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. So even though I've watched all of her show, I think I do want to read her book as well. But I think the big challenge or the big test is going to be to see whether I actually keep this up going forward. Not just that I have one massive clean out, but that I am consistent with the way that I'm living my life. Alright, so mind the fact that we've still got laundry in the bathtub that needs to get cleaned, but I've already done all of the towels and I've organized them, rolled them up, standard Marie Kondo style. These are bath towels, bath mats, and then hand towels, so they get smaller as you go up. And then in this cupboard under the sink, I have face washes. I've also gone through all of my makeup, and these are all of the lipsticks I now own. So that was a little interesting activity last night. I went through all of my makeup and I realized how much I don't even use. Even my nail polish, I had so many of them just to throw out. I would donate, but I think I'd rather donate things like clothes and books, not things I've actually used on my body, just hygiene reasons. TV cabinet, done. Check this out. It's not quite Marie Kondo standard just yet. I think I need some organization boxes just to make that a bit tidier. This drawer already has an organizer, so that's pretty handy. And then we've got passports, my box from my iPhone, just because it's got my warranty and everything in it, and umbrellas, and these are little speakers. All right, you ready to see my favorite part of this cabinet? It's my mini library, all of my favorite books. I've actually got quite a lot of books I'm going to donate, and then I've categorized these and organized them based on my absolute favorites, ones that mean the most to me. And these ones are Adam's, so I think he still needs to look through them, but these are the ones that I think are worthwhile to have in the house. Oh, also, I really need some book recommendations for 2019, so if you have a favorite that you think I would enjoy, can you please comment it down below, and if I've read it, I will let you know. Also next to the cabinet, I have rolled up all of our blankets, so this has to be my favorite box in the apartment, especially in winter. Oh, I'm so pleased. Look at our growing collection. Alright, time for my desk reveal. Are you ready to see all of the organizing I have done, as well as the cupboards in the study? Right, so top drawer, ta-da! Have my glasses. I'm keeping a pen and pencil here and also some of my favorite quote cards. Thought I'd always have a pen and pencil handy, and if I'm sitting at my desk, I can't always open this drawer, it's not as easy. Then over here, I have my watercolor books and some folders, all my educationary samples, and this box is pretty special, guys. So one thing I really took from the series was appreciating all of your sentimental items and showcasing them, not just keeping them hidden away and then discovering them when you go through your garage every 10 or so years. So I made a special box, and it also has quite a few special things from a lot of my viewers. So I want to show you what I did. So I've labeled this box meaningful items, letters, and articles. So I have quite a few little keepsakes here, favorite photos and cards I've received, as well as fan mail from a lot of you. I've also got old things that I used to have on my vision board. Oh, here is some fan mail. How beautiful is that? Then underneath there are things from work and different articles I featured in, or this is pretty cool. My ticket from when I went to the premiere for Chilling Adventures of Sabrina with Netflix in LA, my very first pass to VidCon in LA, and then my featured creator badge in Melbourne, Australia. So all of those things I actually found scattered in different boxes, and I'm going to show you what I've actually done with the boxes that were in the cupboard. And I just thought it would be really nice, rather than keeping it in a cupboard where I'm never really going to see it or appreciate it, I'm constantly reminded from all of these beautiful things if I have it in my desk. Now, being the stationery addict I am, do you know how many pens, pencils, highlighters, erasers, a bazillion things I had in my pencil cases, plural? So I've actually donated a ton of stationery and pencil cases because I don't need 50 pens when I always have a favorite one anyway. So again, like Marie Kondo was saying, if it doesn't bring you joy, let it go. And there were only certain items that I really enjoyed using, so I've let go quite a few of them. So this is my new stationery collection. I've got some sticky notes and notepads, and this is my one pencil case. Singular, guys, singular. So I don't have too many things in there, but just to show you a few of the stuff I keep, I have a pack of colored pens and my favorite highlighters, whiteout, calculator, glue stick, a couple of my favorite pens, scissors, and a permanent marker from VidCon. Now I've also realized that storage boxes are great for storing things, but they don't organize anything. So I think if you watched my vlog when Adam and I were traveling from Sydney down to Melbourne moving back, we had so many boxes in the car. I now have two that I actually use. One for my beautiful little keepsakes and one for, I think, like birthday cards and scrapbooking. So here is now what is above the cupboards. Right, these two boxes are actually empty. They're just there for a rainy day. And then these two, the one on the top has cards, stickers, and craft. The one underneath is empty as well. So I think we'll hold on to them just in case we want to use them for more storage solutions, but I don't plan on trying to fill them anytime soon. Alright, so now I'm tackling all of my jewelry and accessories. This is what I have kept my stuff in so far, and as you can see, it's pretty messy. Even though it's a great storage solution, I really need to be decluttering and getting rid of quite a few of these things because I don't know the last time I wore this bracelet over here. It's a lot of stuff. Already I'm looking at this thinking, I don't know the last time I wore half of these items, if not more. And also a lot of them I don't really like. I'm not that fond of them and they don't really bring me much joy. After some serious consideration, this is my keep pile and everything here I'm gonna be donating. Also, this little category here is actually some of my favorite pieces of jewelry Adam bought me over the years. So this little love heart was a charm on a bracelet, one of the first pieces he ever got me. And this is one of the bracelets that he got me. I loved the little bunny necklace charm from Swarovski. And I don't wear this ring much anymore either. It needs a clean, but I really wanted to keep these because they do mean a lot. Now that I've only got half the amount of accessories or jewelry that I did before, this organizer actually works really well. So I've put in my sentimental items, watch, and just a jewelry pouch here. I've hung my favorite necklaces I wear regularly. Here is where I keep all my bracelets, and then I've got my stud earrings, hanging earrings, and my rings. Now, if you saw my Instagram story last week, you'd know that I've already donated an entire garbage bag of clothes. So this is gonna be garbage bag number 2 of clothes. And there's probably going to be a 4th box of miscellaneous items because I've already got some more books that I want to donate as well. So these piles just keep growing. So I bought this little romper on sale last year and I really liked it. It's really cheap, it's really cute, but I don't particularly love how it feels on. The fabric's really hard. And then this is a favorite dress of mine, but it just doesn't fit. It constantly rides up and it's way too mini. And I loved this dress too, but now I kind of feel like it's not my style. I personally find it so much easier donating things that I don't like anymore, but when I look at these dresses, it's like they're so pretty. I couldn't really justify getting rid of them. That lacy pink and white one I have had for like 6 years, and I don't think I've worn it for about 3 years now. So I think it's time to part ways with some of these dresses and little camisole tops and just accept the fact that even if I didn't get to wear them a lot, hopefully someone else is going to enjoy them, and it's not really serving me anymore to keep it in my wardrobe. It's just taking up space. Hello, good morning. So before I actually show you the finished results of my closet, because I finished it last night, late at night, and I'm so tired from that, or my feet are pretty tired, I want to show you what is in the boot of our car. This is everything I am donating. There's a lot of it. We have 2 bags of clothes. This bag is everything that was in the cabinets under the TV. We've got books, we've got jewelry, we've got fake plants. We have a ton of stuff. And that's not including the 2 bags that I've already donated to the Salvos last week or 2 weeks ago. I had a mass clean out already and then realized I could actually get rid of so much more. So there's a lot of stuff getting donated and hopefully it goes to really good homes. Hi Winsty, good boy. Winston, are you ready to see my cupboard? Yeah? Come on, let's go. Now I still want to get some shoe racks to put at the bottom of my cupboard, but otherwise I'm pretty happy with how things are looking. Da 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 da, da 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 da. I am so proud of myself right now. So yeah, shoes are looking okay, but they could be a bit more organized just so that they're all protected. I find that otherwise stacking them on top like this, they often get dirty. I have a section for my pajamas. Look, I rolled up my cozy socks. I've got pants, work pants, jeans, shorts and skirts, all of my activewear, which is actually not that much because I have favorite tops and I just keep wearing them. Then I've got my winter cozy items like my scarves and my leg warmers and beanies, all of my jumpers, my windbreakers, underwear, bras, socks. Oh, also, learnt this trick from her. Folding socks, no longer rolling them up because it stretches the elastic. And then the last section, I've got a blanket up here, all of my bags, clothes hanging, bathers over there. This is the stuff I still want to sell rather than donate, just a couple of things that are in really, really good condition and they were a little bit expensive. And then my jewelry hanging rack. Excuse me, Winston. No. Good boy, good boy. We don't eat the storage boxes. Now I should probably say one thing before I end this video, which is that I love being organized and I am a bit of a perfectionist. So when I started this whole process, I was very mindful that this is not about having a perfect home, a perfectly organized wardrobe. It's just about appreciating all of your belongings and only having what you actually love, what sparks joy for you. And I do think it's very true that when you declutter your space, you declutter your mind and you just open up your world for new opportunities and possibilities. You're shifting your mindset and you're starting a fresh chapter. I think it's a really nice symbolic way of entering into a new part of your life. So on that note, let me know if you have watched Marie Kondo's show. I'm gonna let you know if I actually keep this up because I do think that her approach, the KonMari approach, it really does work. So I wanted to test it out, vlog the process. If you do it too, let me know how you find this whole process for you. And otherwise, click this image for a related video, this one for my most recent video, and leave a comment down below telling me what you have decluttered lately.